Love using Klarna online but want to use it at your favorite physical stores? In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to use Klarna for your in-store purchases. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Taking Klarna from your screen to the store is easier than you think, and I'll show you exactly how. The first method is using a virtual card in your mobile wallet. This is the most popular way. Open your Klarna app and tap on the Pay in Store option on the home screen. The app will generate a one-time virtual card. Then, simply tap Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Google Pay. At the checkout counter, just unlock your phone and hold it near the card reader to pay, just like any contactless payment. The second method is by using a QR code in the app. Some major retail partners support this directly. When you're in a supporting store, open the Klarna app and tap Pay in Store. The app will show a unique QR code. At the payment terminal, simply scan this code to complete your purchase using your Klarna credit. A crucial pro tip for in-store success: always generate your payment method before you get to the checkout line. Make sure you have a strong signal to load the card or QR code. Also, remember that the virtual card is often for one-time use, so you'll need to generate a new one for each separate shopping trip. After you pay, the purchase will instantly appear in your Klarna app. You'll see the payment schedule, and the first installment will be charged, with the remaining payments scheduled automatically every 2 weeks. And that's how you bring the power of Klarna to any store. If this made in-store shopping clearer, please give the video a like. What's your go-to store to use Klarna in? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to Guide with Samuel, because next, we're tackling how to use Klarna on Amazon. Thanks for watching.